how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase Wallet. So if you want to buy Ethereum on Coinbase Wallet, then first you just need to simply open up your Coinbase application. And once you open the application, make sure that you are under your home page and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, here on the upper side, you will have 4 options: buy, send, receive, and scan. So if you want to buy, then you just need to simply go with the buy option. Tap on the plus which says buy. After that, you will see all the assets you can buy in the Coinbase. If you want to buy Ethereum, just click on Ethereum, and after that tap on let's do it. You just need to verify your identity. Like if you've not verified your identity, then you'll not be able to buy, but if you verified, then once you tap on buy, it will give you the next step. You just need to simply follow the steps, enter the amount that you would like to buy, and once you've entered, you will be able to buy that. So that's how you can buy Ethereum on Coinbase Wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.